Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Ravi Soni sir for giving me opportunity to present this presentation on the tree in DSA. Myself, Angad Kumar Pandey from Siemens Group of Institution. What is tree? A tree is a hierarchical data structure consisting of nodes. It is a non-linear data structure. It consists of special nodes called root, and the remaining node are divided into disjoint sets. A tree is used to represent hierarchical relationship between the data. Tree terminology. First one is the node. What is node? A basic unit of a tree is called node. Next one is root. The topmost node of a tree is called root. Next one is the parent. A node which has the children node is called the parent node. Next one is the child. A node which is the descent of another node is called the child node. Next one is the leaf node. A node which has no children is called leaf node. Next one is the siblings. Node having the same parents is called the sibling. Here we can see that the first one is the root node, next parent node, next the child nodes, and rest part is the leaf node. Types of tree. First type is the general tree, then binary search tree, then full binary tree, complete binary tree, perfect binary tree, avial tree. First one is general tree. What is general tree? A general tree is a tree in data structure in which a node can have any number of the children. Characteristics of general tree is there is one specific node called root. Every node has exactly one parents. A node can have 0 or more children. The order among the children is not important. It can have any number of the levels. Next one is the uses of this general tree. The uses of this general tree is to represent the hierarchical data in the file system, organized structure such as XML, HTML, and DOM, etc. Here is the example of the general tree. Next one is the binary tree. A binary tree is a tree data structure in which each node can have at most two children, a left child and a right child. Characteristics of this binary tree is first one is there is one specific node called root node. Next one is every node has at most two children. The children are distributed as left and right. The left child comes before the right child. A node may have 0, 1 or 2 the children. It can have any number of the levels. Type of the nodes, root nodes, internal nodes and the leaf nodes. Uses of the binary tree is used in the searching, sorting, expression, trees, heap, decision making, indexing, directing the structure and etc. Next one is the binary search tree. A binary search tree is a binary tree in which for every nodes all the value in its left subtree and the smaller and all the value in the right subtree are the greater. Key points of the binary search tree is it is a binary tree. For every nodes all value in the left subtree is less than the node value and the all value in the right subtree is the greater than the node value. Both left and the right subtree must be in the BSTs. No duplicate values are allowed. Efficient for the search, insert and the delete operation. Next one is the full binary tree. A full binary tree is a binary tree in which every node has either 0 or 2 children. Characteristics of full binary tree is first one is it is a binary tree. Each node has either 0 children or exactly 2 children. No node can have only one child. If the tree has n internal nodes, then the total number of the node is 2n plus 1. And if the tree has the L leaf node, then the total number of node is 2l minus 1. Next one is complete binary tree. A complete binary tree is a binary tree in which all levels are completely filled except possibly the last level, and all the nodes in the last level are filled from left to right. The characteristics is all levels are completely filled except possibly the last one. In the last level, nodes are filled from left to right. A complete binary tree may or may not be a full binary tree if the total number of node is n. The height is between log 2 n plus 1 minus 1 and log 2 n. Here is the example of complete binary tree. Next is the AVL tree. An AVL tree is a self-balancing binary search tree in which the height difference between the left and the right subtree of the node is at most 1. The features of this AVL tree is it is a self-balancing binary search tree. Balancing factor of every node is -1, 0 or +1. Automatically, it maintains the balance using the rotation. All basic operations like search, insert, delete, it taken the O log n time. Tree traverser. Tree traverser is a process of visiting all the nodes of a tree exactly once in a particular order. The features is it helps to process or retrieve data from a tree. There are three main types of the traversal. Each node is visited exactly once. The types is in order, pre-order, and the post order. Application of this tree. Trees are widely used in computer science to represent the hierarchical data and to perform the efficient operation. Application is in file system which represent the direction and the files in the hierarchical structure. Database indexing, it used in the indexing structures like B trees for fast search. Next one is the expression tree. It uses in compilers to parse and evaluate the expression. Decisions tree used in AI and machine learning for decision making. Network routing used for the routing algorithms like the spanning tree. Thank you so much.